Okay. All you need to do before mag-born man ang ating baby and parents to be, dapat makapractice yung ating parents to be na kumanta ng mga nursery rhyme. At dahil po kayo ang gabay, kailangan niyo pong turuan yung ating parents to be for making a nursery rhyme na makatulog si baby.
Yes, tama po yan, kuya.
I will give you 10 seconds para mag-isip ng mga nursery rhyme.
Okay.
That timer starts now! Boys and girls!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Isa.
Uy, boys,
Okay, balik sa pwesto.
Ano na ka? Pusta na ikaw mo?
Okay na yan. Start. Starter.
Okay. Okay. So, there will be a criteria again.
Another mechanics.
Okay, mechanic. Boys, tama.
Okay, tama na, boys?
Tama na, boys. Okay, step forward, contact. Okay, bawal ang paulit-ulit. Malay nyo, in-English mo, Tagalog mo. We need one song at a time.
Yes.
Kung sino man ang pinakamaraming kantang nursery rhyme na gawa, we will declare our champion and get a chance to win San pesos!
Yes, grabe. Partner. Okay, o kung 5 sila madaog, boto ka ako nilang 5.
Si seryoso nag-itiro.
Yes, divide to 5, ang 2,000.
Okay, I will give you example, boys.
Okay.
Forward. You will sing like this.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Next, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baba, black sheep. Ayan,
Okay.
ganun po yun.
Are we clear?
Alternate po tayo.
But wait, there's more.
Oo.
Hindi lang duwa lang kakanta, dapat tanan ka mo kakanta.
Oo.
Hindi lang duwa ka A, B, C, D. Tapos sa tatlo?
Ha, 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 ha. Tawan po yun. Hindi counted yun, ha.
We will play our trending game here at Jollibee General Lina.
And of course, partner, our official judge ay our parents.
Yes.
Yes. Sila mabantay, partner, kung nasulit ng kanta.
Okay.
Kaya kung smell, partner, medyo mag-dry.
Tapos na 10 seconds, ma'am. Okay na, ready na?
Oh, sige.
Siya pula, ready ho? Okay, sipin niyo mo isa yung ho.
Oh, the smell, partner.
2,000! 2,000! 2,000! 2,000!
Okay.
Boys, are you ready?
Kayo mauna, boys.
Grabe, yun balik siya, nabalik siya.
First song. Alright. Are you ready, guys? Matapos na matapos.
Okay. Okay, here we go. The Battle of Nursery Rhyme. And 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, go! And 5, 6, 7, go! And 5, 6, 7, go! And 5, 6, 7, go! Oh, good, good. Uh-huh. Oh, good. And 5, 6, 7, go! Oh, yeah. And 5, 6, 7, go! Say what? Five, six, seven, go! Say what? And five, six, seven, go!
Sana'y di magmali.
DJ Red, tatak doon ako all. Tatak doon ako all. Five, six, seven, go!
Sana ngayong Pasko.
One more time. Five, six, seven, go!
May isang chikating tumapo sa sarap. Nakaliling ang isang dalawa na sila. Chikating,
Five, six, seven, go!
Hindi ka bossing terte. Yes, yes, kahapon.
Tuhod naman, tuhod naman. Alright, citizen guys, at this moment, lahat po sila ay malalakas. Ladies and gentlemen, lahat po sila ay panalo! Grabe. Sir, doon po na naman kanta sang sana ngayong Pasko.
Oo.
Nagambal si Daddy.
Ano?
Magdalene.
Okay, tayo next song.
Alright, citizen,